Arkonik has been restoring and exporting the Arkonik Defender since 2007. Our highly skilled craftsmen restore Defenders with a unique sensitivity to the heritage of the Land Rover marque. The journey begins by sourcing authentic and structurally sound left-hand drive Defenders specific to your needs. Once in the workshop, the donor vehicle is stripped down to the frame, which is retained to comply with US importation legislation. Then it's examined and treated, preserving it for generations to come. Meanwhile, the engine is carefully dismantled, then measured and pressure tested before being fully refurbished with new components to manufacturer standards. Now the reassembling starts, and the personality of your Defender begins to reveal itself. New panels are attached, primed and prepped for a perfect smooth surface, which is ready to be painted in the color of your choice. A complete new interior is then installed. Select from a host of fine leather hides and hundreds of accessories. At the same time, brand new electrics are fitted throughout. Extensive road testing and a strict quality control regime follows, ensuring that your Defender is the best it can be. The final chapter begins by shipping your Defender in a temperature-controlled vessel to the USA. Once it has cleared customs, it is personally delivered directly to your door by our US representative and includes an extensive handover. Adventure is calling, and you and your Arkonik Defender can now embrace it. Restored by us, reimagined by you.